Hi friends, today I am sharing my very special chocolate Oreo cupcakes recipe with you. Combining the rich flavors of chocolate and the crunchies of Oreo cookies, these cupcakes are delight for any dessert lover. Perfect for parties, special occasions, or simply satisfying your sweet cravings, and decadent treat are sure to impress. So let's start the recipe. The ingredients are in the description box, so let's start. In a large bowl, add sugar and oil and whisk until it is smooth and well combined. Add 2 large eggs one by one at room temperature and mix them well. Add buttermilk and keep the whisker on. Now add coffee. I added 1 teaspoon of coffee in a cup of warm water. Now add flour, cocoa powder and baking powder, a pinch of salt. Sift well so no lumps are left. In wet ingredients, the dry ingredients are added, and now you add vanilla essence, or you can say vanilla extract, and now whisk it again. Mix well so all the batter combines well. Clean all the batter with the spatula from the bowl and add chocolate chips. You can add milk chocolate chips or dark chocolate chips. Now divide the batter evenly among the prepared muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. I'm using jug because it's easy to pour the batter with the jug. I already preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. It will take 15 to 20 minutes to bake. So let's wait. Meanwhile, our cupcakes are baking. Let's make a frosting. Take butter at room temperature and whisk it well. Whisk until it is softened and the color becomes pale. Just like this. So my butter is softened and fluffy, and I'm scraping it from the sides and it is very smooth. Now take a sugar, 1 cup powdered sugar, sift it well so no lumps are there. Now gradually add the sugar in the butter and keep whisking. To avoid the butter smell, I have added vanilla essence. Now our frosting is fluffy and ready. Next, sift some Oreo crumbs, which I have already crushed in a polythene bag, or you can take a Ziploc bag and sift them well so we can only get the smooth powder of the Oreo biscuits. Mix the crumbs with the buttercream and shift it into a piping bag. I am using the nozzle 7FT because I am doing just simple frosting. Just put it in a circle, bring it up and leave it. It's very simple and easy. It's up to you. How do you decorate your cupcake? Now I am putting some pieces of cookies on the top of the frosting to make it more beautiful or presentable. It's up to you. How do you decorate it? Choice is totally up to you. So my cupcakes are done. They are soft, moist, and the frosting is so smooth and tasty. So it's time to check and taste. Hope you like my today's recipes, so share it with your friends and family. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel.